Welcome to Insights Live. I'm Rebecca Selby, and I'm joined by Erik Johnson, Vice President of Technology Strategy at Epicor. Erik, thanks for joining us.
No problem, it's great to be here.
How are you enjoying Insights?
It's been great. It's really energetic. Everybody is really happy. We're learning a lot.
Glad to hear that. Today you're going to be talking to me about cloud solutions. So to begin with, can you tell me what drives customers to select cloud technology?
There's actually a number of drivers. ERP is one of the biggest, most complicated applications that exists in the world. And so the drivers are very different. Small companies like to think about the cloud as a cheap way to get something going quickly. You can just switch it on in the cloud. I don't have to buy hardware, I don't have to install it, I don't have to manage it. And it just works. And small companies like that. Large companies, on the other hand, also like the cloud because in many cases they're putting in new operations into, say, a plant that's just been acquired, or a new facility that's being brought up, from the ground up that might not have a facility yet for computing. So those are both very different drivers for the cloud.
Can you tell me what are the best practices to facilitate collaboration in the cloud?
The first thing you have to do is decentralize your thinking. Most people who are running an IT operation think about my security system and my users and my applications, and they build this wall around things. Obviously that can't happen if you have to collaborate with anybody outside your company. So that's where the cloud can really help you out. You can expand your thinking into different zones of users collaborating for different reasons, and it's very, very useful.
So how does Epicor software support that?
Oh, a number of ways. All of our ERP systems run in the cloud. Every single one of them. And more importantly, we don't have a specific cloud version of our products. They run in the cloud as is. So that helps make our development more efficient and our operations more efficient.
All right. Is it true that cloud can accelerate business growth?
The cloud can accelerate business growth because in many cases it has a greater ROI. It's got a greater return on investment, which means you can accelerate the returns of an ERP system. And the whole reason you buy an ERP system is to accelerate your business.
So what does the future hold?
Oh, it's incredible. Devices are going to be the most important thing in ERP, and they all need to connect to something. And the cloud is the perfect place to have all of your devices connect, get secure, find information, and work all over the world.
Is there any other information you can share with our customers or people who are considering cloud solutions?
Keep an open mind, and just think it's just going to get better and faster and easier over time.
Thanks for joining us. I really appreciate it.
No problem. Thank you.
If you have questions about any of the things that we've talked about here today, visit epicor.com.